Nags Elementary parents and students. I'm Principal Thomas McGeachy, and I'm excited to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. Parents, I want to express my sincere gratitude to you for entrusting your child's education to us. Although we are starting this school year remotely, I want to assure you that our outstanding faculty will be with you and your student each step of the way as we provide rigorous and relevant instruction through our learning management systems. I also want you to know that your child will not be spending an excessive amount of time in front of a computer screen. Your child will have the opportunity to engage in learning using both live and pre-recorded lessons that provide flexibility for you and your student. Our teachers will be addressing the social emotional needs as well as the academic needs of your student. Parents and students, you should have received postcards or a phone call from your assigned teacher with a welcoming message for the upcoming year. Additionally, each teacher produced a video introduction providing an overview of their daily schedule. The video will discuss the learning management system, Seesaw or Google Classroom, that will be used, as well as attendance, grading procedures, and other important information, which will ensure that your child has a successful and enriching remote learning experience. These introductory videos will be available on the Dare County Schools website on August the 17th. The week of August the 17th through August 21st will be orientation week for families and students. During this time, teachers will be reaching out to you to address any concerns or issues that may arise. Parents, I want to emphasize that the learning management system used by your child's teacher serves as the official classroom for both attendance and grading purposes. Having your child log into the appropriate learning management system is the only way for your child to receive credit for assignment completion. The Wave Rider staff and I look forward to working collaboratively with you as we provide your child with an enriching and engaging remote learning experience. At this time, I want you to meet some of our staff who enthusiastically support you and your student. Thank you.
Hello, parents and students. This is Ms. Stone, the assistant principal at Nags Elementary School. I am so excited to welcome you to the 2021 school year. It's starting off a little different, but we're going to make the best of it. We're going to have a great time, and we're going to learn lots of fun and exciting things. So I wanted to give you a few tips, parents, to help you with our start of school and the whole remote learning atmosphere you're going to be having in your home. I think a great thing to do is to have a designated space for your child to do their schoolwork. Maybe have a little desk set up, maybe not in their bedroom, but maybe in another room of the house where they have their school supplies, where they have everything they can need for their remote learning. So it's all right there, kind of like at school. They have their own desk, and in their desk, they have all the materials that they need for their lesson. So I think that would be a great thing to do. I think what you have to realize, you're also going to have to help your child, especially at the beginning when they're learning the learning management system and they're learning how to work on the computer. But I promise you, they're going to pick it up super fast, and they're going to do a great job, and they're going to be able to do their lessons without a lot of guidance from you, because their teachers are excellent and they know how to work with kids, especially in school and especially on the computer. So it's going to be great. Parents, I want you to remember to always have open lines of communication with your teacher. Even though we're not in school, we are here for you and we are available. Mr. McGeachy and I are at school. Feel free to call us at any time. Also, your teacher will have office hours. Please call her. She wants to help you so that you can help your students. And most importantly, we have to be flexible. That's the big word this year, is we're going to be flexible and we're going to make the best of every situation that we face. Here at Nags Head, we're wave riders. So a lot of times we refer to surfing, and we talk about surfing for good behavior. So I want to focus on the letters of surf. when we're talking about our remote learning. We use SURF in school, but when we're thinking about remote learning, let's think of the S as strive for success and strive to do your very best in everything that you do. The U, we're going to use respect. We're always going to be respectful to our teachers, our parents, and our friends, even on the computer. Then the R means act responsibly. Just because you're not at school doesn't mean you don't need to follow the rules of school. So you're going to do your very best on the computer. And then the F is that word flexible that we've talked about before. We're all going to be flexible. We're going to make 2021 a great year with lots of learning, lots of exciting and fun things. It's going to be different, but I promise you it's going to be great.
Welcome back, Wave Riders. I'm Deanne Bateman. I'm the data manager. I handle all student records, attendance, registration, report cards, all that fun stuff. We hope to see you soon.
Hi, Wave Rider families. I'm Kata Daniel. I'm the finance officer here. Most of the kids know me as Miss Kata. I'm out on the school store out in the hallways on Fridays. Can't wait to have you guys back in the hallway, have my school store again, and start trading tickets for goods. Welcome to the 2021 school year.
Hi, this is Deborah O'Brien. I work the front desk here at Nags Elementary, and I just want to wish everybody a good year this year. Welcome back, Wave Riders.